Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, we are embarking on an extraordinary journey to Antarctica, where a groundbreaking discovery has left scientists stunned. A thriving ecosystem, hidden beneath a 150-meter thick ice sheet for centuries, has been uncovered after a colossal iceberg broke off from the George VI ice shelf. The team from Smith Ocean Institute used remotely operated vehicles to explore the seafloor and found an astonishing array of life, including giant corals, sponges, anemones, hydroids, and even fish. This ecosystem is not only thriving but also incredibly diverse, with species that have never been seen before. According to Dr. Patricia Esquite, expedition co-chief scientist, we didn't expect to find such a beautiful, thriving ecosystem. Based on the size of the animals, the communities we observed have been there for decades, maybe even hundreds of years. This discovery raises many questions about how these ecosystems function and how they've managed to thrive for so long. So, let's dive deeper into the story of this incredible discovery. The team from Smith Ocean Institute has been studying the Antarctic ecosystem for years, but they never expected to find something like this. The expedition was led by Dr. Patricia Esquite, who has spent her career studying the unique ecosystems of Antarctica. She and her team used state-of-the-art technology, including remotely operated vehicles, to explore the seafloor. The team spent weeks exploring the seafloor, collecting samples and data that would help them understand this incredible ecosystem. And what they found was beyond anything they could have imagined. The ecosystem is dominated by giant corals, sponges, and anemones. These species are not only incredibly diverse but also play a crucial role in the ecosystem. But what's even more fascinating is the presence of fish and other species that are not typically found in Antarctic waters. This suggests that there may be a previously unknown connection between the Antarctic ecosystem and other ecosystems around the world. So, what does this discovery tell us about the diversity of life on our planet? And how can we use this knowledge to better protect and conserve our planet's ecosystems? To answer these questions, let's take a closer look at the implications of this discovery. First, it highlights the importance of continued exploration and discovery. There's still so much to learn about our planet and the incredible diversity of life that it supports. Second, it underscores the need for conservation efforts. The Antarctic ecosystem is one of the most unique and fragile ecosystems on the planet, and it's essential that we take steps to protect it. Third, it emphasizes the importance of interdisciplinary research. The team from Smith Ocean Institute brought together experts from a range of fields, including biology, ecology, and oceanography, to study this ecosystem. By working together, they were able to gain a deeper understanding of this incredible ecosystem and its importance to our planet. Fourth, it raises important questions about the impact of climate change on our planet's ecosystems. The Antarctic ecosystem is particularly vulnerable to changes in the climate, and it's essential that we take steps to mitigate these impacts. Fifth, it highlights the importance of preserving and protecting our planet's natural wonders. The Antarctic ecosystem is a unique and fascinating place, and it's essential that we take steps to preserve it for future generations. Sixth, it emphasizes the importance of continued scientific research and discovery. There's still so much to learn about our planet and the incredible diversity of life that it supports. Seventh, it highlights the importance of international collaboration and cooperation. The team from Smith Ocean Institute worked with researchers from around the world to study this ecosystem. Eighth, it emphasizes the importance of international cooperation in protecting our planet's ecosystems. The Antarctic ecosystem is a global treasure, and it's essential that we work together to protect it. Finally, it emphasizes the importance of continued scientific research and discovery. There's still so much to learn about our planet and the incredible diversity of life that it supports. In conclusion, The discovery of this thriving ecosystem in Antarctica is a groundbreaking find that highlights the importance of continued exploration and discovery, conservation efforts, interdisciplinary research, and preserving our planet's natural wonders. Thanks for joining me on this journey to Antarctica.